Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add watermark to your YouTube videos. If you're new here, my name is Michael, and without further ado, let's get started. To add a watermark to your YouTube video, you need to log in into your YouTube studio. To log into your YouTube studio, simply click on your profile icon and then click on YouTube Studio. Now under your channel details, simply scroll till you find customization and click on customization. Then click on basic information. Then click on branding and then scroll down to the bottom. You're going to find video watermark. So the watermark will appear on your video in the right hand corner of the video. So you're going to find it in this section, just like you can find the watermark in the time section of my video. And you can also select the display time, which is easy. You can select at the end of the video. You can customize start time. You can also leave it throughout your video. Now, this doesn't mean that if someone were to download your video from YouTube, the watermark is going to be there. I'm going to create a video that shows you how to add a watermark permanently in your video. If you want a watermark at the end of your video, you can click on this and then you can click on publish. Now, if you choose to add a watermark at the end of your video, you will not be able to customize the timing. It's going to be automatically added by YouTube. If you choose to customize the start time, you can indicate the section of your video in which you want the watermark to show. And if you choose to show entirely on your video, from beginning to the end of your video, the watermark is going to be there. So to add a watermark, you're going to see upload in this section if you've not added a watermark before. So click on this and then you'll be able to upload a watermark from your computer. Select the watermark you want to add and then click on open. Once you've added the watermark, click on done. And then once you're ready, click on publish. Your watermark changes will be successfully published, and anytime anyone watches your video, the watermark is going to be displayed in this section, displayed on every of your video. If you wish to remove the watermark, you can come back to customization, click on remove, and then click on publish, and the watermark is going to be removed from your videos. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to add watermark to your YouTube videos. If you found this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have that post notification bell turned on so that you don't miss out on more content like this. And do not forget to like and share this video. I hope to see you guys in my next video.